Hello everyone. Welcome to the computer learning series. In this series we will talk about computer, that what's computer and how it's work and how to use computer. So first of all, we should know about computer, that what's computer and how it's working, which parts computer does have. So let's start. Computer is one of the most necessary technology in this world, in today's world. Because of that, in our today life, computer is the most important things. For example, at the previous times, at the earlier times, engineers were drawing maps and everything with their pen and papers. But nowadays, computer engineers needs computer to draw their maps, their blueprints, and everything. So, engineers need to learn computer that they can use at their fields. Also, the student want to do homeworks, make slides, presentations, and everything. They need to do. They need to learn computer because of without using computer they can't collect the information from anywhere. And using computer and internet, they can collect information, they can make slides, they can make presentations for their homeworks, and also for calculations. People were at the earlier time. People were used their pens and their minds for calculation, but nowadays everywhere we need calculation. They need for example for banks, hospitals, schools, universities, in any other organization. They need to calculate data, that they need to enter the data, and they need to estimate their profit, their losses, and they should use computer for that purposes. And also the journalists and the film industries, they are using computer to editing their movies, to edit their sermons, for their making their reports. They need computer, and they use computer programs to edit these things. So we can say at the every field of our life we need computer. Because computer make our works easier, and also the computer they needs computer to make works easier and faster. So let's start from that sentence and that question. What is computer? First of all, when we want to go practically, we should know about this information. That's the necessary. What's computer? We can say computer is taken from compute, a Latin word which mean calculation. Computer is taken from compute, Latin word which mean calculation. It's mean, at simple word we can say computer means calculator. Why we tell computer it's a calculator? Because nowadays if we see, we can use computer for different purposes. Some people computer use as a PlayStation. They play games in computer. And some people use computer as a DVD player. They are watching. They watch movies using computer. Why we tell it's calculator or computer? Because of that, at the earlier times when computer just performed calculation, basic task. Without calculation, computer can't did anything else. So therefore, at the earlier times, they named computer. And after taking the technology revelations at the technology field, the working of computer has developed, and they can do much more. But the name of computer was from the previous times up to yet computer now. So we can say that's the meaning of computer. So what's computer? If we told that what is computer, how to define computer, we can say computer is an electronic machine which perform arithmetic and logical operations at high speed. Or we can say computer is an electronic machine which accept the data, process the data, and give the result. What we wrote that computer is an electronic machine which accept the data, process the data, and give the result. Computer takes information from pupil. After that, computer process these information, and after that gives the result according to our information. That's the computer job or the computer definition. For example, if I say 1 plus 2 equal to, you may say 3. First, the sound you are hearing, the sound is the data. The sound is the data. First, you accept the sound. You accept it, you hear the sound. You hear the sound, it means you accepted the sound. Then process. Then you think at your mind 1 plus 2, and at the end you are telling the result 3. So computer is the same, like working same like human minds. Computer takes information from people, data, and after that the computer process this data and give the result. So we can say computer. We also can say computer is a data processor. Computer is a data processor. It accept the data, process the data, and give the result. As I told in this example, like human minds, like human body, computer also interacts like these things. So I told you, first the sound you are hearing, that's called data, and after that computer, our human mind works on it and then telling the result, that's 3. Computer is the same. Computer takes data from outside, after that process it and give the result. For example, if I write in here 5 56, 78, 34, 56, 78, 98, or 23, 45. If we calculate these things, what will be the result? How much time you will take to calculate these things, these numbers? It may take about 2 up to 3 minutes, but computer do it immediately. So that's the result. If we add all these numbers to it, it's become 473. So computer first we write, computer wrote the computer accept these information. After that computer process it, and after that computer gave us the result, that's 473. So we can say computer is an electronic machine which accept the data, process the data, and give the result. And according to this definition, we can say that computer is an electronic machine. In here, we write what is data. What is data? As we told computer work with data, and here we can say what is data. What is data? We can say data. And simple words, not a formal definition, but it will be a definition for knowing for your concept, that you should get the concept that what is data. We can say data is any kind of information, which we have in computer is called data. We told and we write that any kind of information which we have in computer is called data. For example, we have in computer videos. These videos, we can tell it the data. Videos are data. We can say our music file or audio files. Audio files are called data. Pictures, documents, and others. So we any kind of information which we have in computer is called data. These information which are in our computer, we can say the data. If someone say we have more data in my computer, it means that we have a lot of videos, audios, documents, or something else in our computer. So we can give an example. I will open a file. So I'm opening a file for that example. What is that? What is that? You know about that? No, you don't have information about that. That's a file. What's inside the file? We don't know. Now computer, if we double click on it, computer processes it and gave the result. Computer showed the result what was included in this file. So we can say any kind of information we have in computer, we can tell it data or information. Also we can say that these are information and also data. So what is the difference between between information and data? What is the difference between the information and data? We can say the raw form information. The raw form of information is called data. The raw form of information is called data, and we can say the processed form of data is called information. We can say the files before processing, it's called data, and after process it's become information. As I told before you at the example, we can say I'm opening a file. For example, I will open that file. What is that? What's that inside the file? This is an image. What's right inside the image? We don't know. That's data. Now computer works on it. We are double clicking. After that, we are seeing the result. Now this is information. In here, there's a written network plus exchange server, MCSE, Wi-Fi phone, CCNA, CCTV, CCNP, and something else. We know. We can see what is this. Now this is called information, and before processing at this time that this is data, and after processing it become information. So we can say that also we can define computer in such way. Computer is an electronic device which convert data into useful information. We can say, according to the working of computer, we can say computer is an electronic device which convert data into useful information. By data, we can't make a decision. For example, we can't say what's that, for what we use these things. After processing, it becomes information, and if information is useful, we can make our decision about that. So that was the small definition for computer. If someone asks you that what's computer, you can say computer is called data processor, or computer is an electronic device which convert data into useful information. That was the definition of computer. Now I'm telling you that what we will study during our series. First, we are studying about computer. We are studying computer basics. And computer basics, we will learn that what is computer, how it's working, from which part it's made, which parts does computer has, what's processor, what is the storage of computer, how many types of storage we have, and what is the best computer for which type of work we need, which computer. These information at computer basics, we are studying about all the computer. After studying the computer basics, we can computers to each other. For example, we can say that's computer is good, that's not good. Or if some problem or occurring in our computer, we can say that's problem is from that parts of computer, because at the computer basics we will study all about computer. After that we will start operating system, OS. OS means operating system. At this stage we will learn how to use computer, how to change the languages of computers, how to make secure our files in computer, how to secure our computer, how to install other applications in our computer. If some problems are occurring in our computer, how to solve this problem, how to troubleshoot these problems in our computer system. We will study in operating system complete usage of computer. When we complete the operating system, we will be able to use computer very well, and also we will be able to install different operating system in computer. And also, so we can say we will learn how to set up our computer, set up our computer. So in operating system we will learn the using of computer, how to use computer, how to make files secure in our computer, how to install other programs and softwares in our computer. As I told that we will create security policy for our computer. These things, after that studying operating system, there will be no problem in usage of computer for us. And after that we will learn Microsoft Word. And Microsoft Word we will learn how to create documents in our computer. For example, such as have Word. Microsoft Word is used to design and print documents. It's mean printing and designing of books, for example, brochures, banners, brochures and cards and papers, resumes. For example, we can say thesis, and other documents, working, reporting, how to create a report, how to design a report, how to print a report, and everything we need in documentation we will study it in Microsoft Word. After studying Microsoft Word, we will be able to create any kind of documents using Microsoft Word. After that we will study and learn about Microsoft Excel. In Microsoft Excel we will learn to use calculation, make ledgers, journal, balance sheet. In Excel we are learning calculation. For example, if we working in at office, how to calculate the loss and profit of this organization. And also we can create tables, pivot tables, data analysis, diagrams, charts, and everything we can we need for calculation we will learn in Microsoft Excel. So we can say Microsoft Excel is one of the Microsoft products which is used for high calculation by using of functions and formulas. Using functions and formulas we will be able to calculate any complex or basic calculations. After learning Microsoft Excel, we will learn about Microsoft PowerPoint. PowerPoint is the other product of Microsoft which is used for creating powerful presentations and slideshows. So after that we will be able to create any kind of presentation and slides. That will be the important things for us. And after that we will be able we will be able to create slideshows and presentations. And after that we will study about Microsoft Access. Microsoft Access is one of Microsoft product which is used for creating and managing databases. Using Microsoft Access, we will practically design a database for an organization, for example, such a school, a hospital, or any other organization using Microsoft Access. Inshallah, and during 3 months, we will be able to cover all these topics practically, and I promise you that we will learn completely. One thing I want to tell you that I apologize and sorry for that. I can speak English very well, but I will try to convey in my information and working to you guys. That will be inshallah useful. If you find any problem, you can contact me. I will help you for learning these things. These are the computer basics, or the basic things that everyone should learn in computer, because that's the today's basics needs. And after that, if someone decide that they are working advanced, we have different study fields in computer. For example, networking, database, programming, web development, cyber security, artificial intelligence, AI, and other fields. I will make videos on all these fields of computer, and inshallah you will be able to learn more. And I'm working practically with you guys, and will show you that how can you work. So first of all, inshallah, we will continue from computer basics, and after that we will continue this curriculum. And during these lessons, I will work daily. I am working on one video and will upload on my YouTube channel for you guys at every field if you need. I have already another channel by the name of Abdullah Sorosh. I have other YouTube channel, and I have uploaded videos about all these information, all these subjects. I have worked practically, but these videos were in Pashto and Persian languages. So most of student told me that you should start a series on English language, that will everyone will learn something from it, that will be useful and help for helping everyone. And inshallah, I will try my best to record video on every field and work with you guys. So for today, that's enough. Inshallah, from tomorrow we will start and we will continue our lessons. So have a good time for tomorrow, and inshallah tomorrow we will continue after on these topics which I have written in here. So have a good time. That's enough for today. And once again, I'm telling that I'm sorry I can't speak English very well, but if you can get information from my language, my methodology, you can write and comment for me. I will try to solve my problem, and I'm waiting for your suggestion. Thank you.